Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. Don't be alarmed by my hair. I'm in the process of doing it. I will be taking it out tomorrow to do like a high curly puff. It'll be really cute. I'm gonna do a video on that soon. But let's put the bonnet back on. So anyway, I'm sorry I haven't been making any videos in a long time. It's just simply because I have not been feeling well. So yeah. But anyway guys, I'm back and I have this nice little cute DIY I wanted to show you all. It's just simply hair ties. I went ahead and bought some fold over elastic fabric pretty much, and you go ahead and you cut them up to how you want to, and you can make hair ties with it. They come in so many different colors, but I thought that these colors were really cute. So anyway, I'm gonna show you one that I made. I like to make like the long one so that way I could put it like around my head and stuff like that, like as a hair tie kind of thing. I'm probably gonna get the bigger ones so that way it's kind of just like it would hold in place a bit more, but I still will use these. It's just something simple like this. And then also for the hair ties, I had went ahead and did this cute little pink one. They're really cute, they're easy, and I know a lot of people are just like, well, why don't you just go out and get hair ties? No, because I like these. I think these are cute and I like the colors that they come in. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use purple. So pretty much what I do is I go ahead and I line it up. I line up the ribbons, the end, then I fold it over again. About this much. So you want to do it like twice. If you want to go for a third time, you can, but it's really unnecessary. For the life of me, I could not find any fabric scissors. It really doesn't matter what scissors you use. It's just fabric scissors don't seem like it's going to take you forever to cut through them. So anyway, we have this all finished. Oh, hold on. Just means that they'll cut even. See how I had to tug? That's what I don't like to do. Fabric scissors will probably be like the best. So anyway, go ahead. You have this already. Go ahead, put it like this. Fold it over. And you go ahead and... this one was a bit difficult. Just like that. So now you have a little hair tie. And then you just keep doing it for the rest of them. Just like that, you should have 4 pieces. I said, you know, you don't have to be the person to make them. I just like doing little stuff like this. I think it's really cute, and I can't express to y'all how often I lose hair ties. So it's like really nice to go ahead and just get one of these and then just make them myself again. Hopefully I don't lose those, but yeah, I like them. I ordered these off of Amazon. I think it was about 20. No. Anyway, I would have to get back to y'all on exactly how many came in the pack. I could have some missing. I probably don't. But anyway, I'll post the link below. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing more videos. Probably gonna go ahead and just post 2 videos today. I'll do this video, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do like my favorite shampoos and conditioners, and then days afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and pick up on like my favorite leave-ins and cream. But just stay tuned and I will have some videos for y'all. So bye.